Yeah, Steve from Resale Dojo back, and today I have, I guess it's kind of a little story of when you should cut bait with a customer. Now, this actually just happened to me in the last 24 hours, and I'm not sure how you guys would manage it, but this is how I manage my customers. Now, I had a potential buyer reach out to me and ask me on a pretty high-end DVD set. It's for Young Riders, I believe. Season 3, I had it listed for $90. Ask me what would I be willing to do as my lowest price. Now, I don't usually like answering those type of questions of what would be my best price on there because they want me to go as low as possible. But for this, it's a very rare DVD set. I'm not sure if there is even another season 3 out there right now. And so I said, I could do $80 for you. I'm not gonna play this game, go back and forth. I can give you 80. I could sell it to you for $80. Well, this led to the potential buyer just started asking a ton of questions. First, they wanted me to take a picture of the back, which I believe I already had in the listing to show the episodes on, which I happily did. Then they're like, well, I'll pay for it if I don't have to pay sales tax in Tennessee. Well, as a seller on eBay, I have no say over if you have to pay sales tax or not. That is between your state government and eBay. And I told them, well, if you have to pay sales tax, you have to pay sales tax. But I'll sell it for $80, and then if you have to pay tax or not, you have to pay tax or not. This buyer goes ahead and decides to purchase it. I sell to them for the $80 plus the sales tax that they had on there. And then within about 20 minutes after they accepted that and paid for it, they send me a message saying, well, I cancel it. So first he had me jump through all these hoops for you, answer all these questions, show everything, provide excellent customer service, give you a fair price based on where the market's at, and then you say you want to cancel it. I get a fair amount of cancellation requests over time, and I think recently there's even more just people price shopping out there. So I told them, hey, yes, I can cancel this order, but just so you know, I am blocking you from any future purchases from my store. And knowing that this was a rare item, and I find a lot of these type of rare items, and he seems like a buyer in that type of category, that probably hit him a little hard when it comes to it. So he's like, yeah, I'm sorry, I sorry to put you through all this, but I would like to cancel. So I go ahead and cancel it. I go ahead and block him from buying anything else. Within about an hour, I get another message from him going, hey, I'm sorry for everything. I'd like to buy it from you. So my guess is this guy thought that there was another item out there, another copy of this, and thought he could get it for a better price than what he paid for. And unfortunately, there isn't another one, or another person not willing to go that low. And I'm not sure how you guys would manage this, but for myself, I told him, sorry, I'm not interested. I don't want to go through the hassle. I left it like that. He was nice. He responded back, if you ever change your mind, let me know. I'll be happy to buy it. So I'll give you reasons why I did not want to go ahead with another $80 sale with this person. And the main reason is I don't want any more headaches from buyers like that. I'm willing to wait to sell an item for $80 to someone that, one, really wants it, and two, is just, a generally good customer. If you can't make up your mind the first time, after having all those questions answered, then why should I go through it again with you? Most likely, this guy's probably gonna get it and then return it to me. That's really why I didn't want to go through it. A lot of times when you get the buyers that ask so many questions about stuff, a lot of times they're collectors, which I'm fine with. I collect stuff as well. But if I go through all the work with you and you back out, then why should I go through more work and send it out to you and then probably have you return something or find something wrong or just be a headache more and more in the future. Now, this is a lesson that I learned years ago that it's okay to fire your customers. If you have a bad customer in business, right, someone that's buying from you all the time, treating you bad, not agreeing to the terms of your deal, all that type of stuff, it is okay to walk away from that type of deal and find better customers out there. So for myself, I sacrificed an $80 sale because I did not want any future headaches from this person. Maybe this guy would have purchased more from me in the future, maybe not, but most likely this person was going to probably return it or come up with some other excuse once it was in transit, all these type of things, maybe just watch it and return it within 30 days. But I did not want to go through that with a customer like this. So if you run into customers like that, it's okay to just decline their offers, just, mark question as answered, block them from sales, all that type of stuff, because you as a seller do not need to go through those extra headaches, because that's going to take you out of your efficiency throughout your day and take you away from improving your stores, maybe find new products, improving your listings, gain stuff listed, because you're dealing with customer service issues that you don't really need to worry about, or you shouldn't have to worry about. If you guys like my story here about how I deal with customers like this, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and leave below in the comments any crazy customer stories that you had as well. I love hearing these. I want to share more of these in the future and more of how I handle them as well. So thank you guys for joining me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.